Hello, music producers, and in this exciting video, I'm going to be showing you the beat breakdown of how I created the Justin Bieber and Omah Attention remix by CEO. Straight to the point without wasting much time. First of all, we have this right here. All right, we have this amazing sound. Okay, just a piano piece. All right, and this sound was from. As you can see, we have two presets, one morphine and one Rhodes. The morphine is from KBD Rhodes, as you can see right here, and the Rhodes is just from Citrus. All right, citrus, whatever you want to call it. All right, and the effects added on this were just you see the two are separated to two different channels. We just have a parametric EQ, sound quantizer, blood overdrive for distortion. We have parametric EQ and sound quantizer here, also the A preset, and here also we also have the A preset right here. And that is that for that. All right, so next up we have this, and if you don't have good earphones or studio monitors, you might not be able to hear this sound because it's actually very low. All right, so and this was from Morphine. Also we have the Baz B3 Baz FG, whatever that is. And the effect added on this is just a parametric EQ, sound quantizer, and blood overdrive. Right? Beautiful. Right, and next up we have this. As you can see, this is from Flex. We have the Dysopian lead. As you can see, all this are just actually stock plugins, which just to tell you that stock plugins are actually kind of very, very amazing. You know what I'm saying? All right. And then all together so far, we have this. All right. And then next up, we got this sound right here. And this was from Flex also. We have the static horn light. All right. And then the effect on this, you can see, like I'm just repeating the same effect every time. Why? Well, they sound good, kind of. You know what I'm talking about? If they sound good, you keep using it. Okay. All right. So, and then we have this white noise, which I just added. And it's just, well, you can hear it's just doing what it's doing. All right. And then right here we have this automation, which is for the tape stop, which is a tape stop effect. And there is a video in the description below on how to create the tape stop effect, by the way. All right. So this is it so far. All right. So that is the tape stop effect in motion. And then lastly, we got this right here. Which is like the main whatever. All right, so we have this going on, and the plugin used for this was Cello from, as you know, Flex. All right, and the effect added on this sound quantizer and fruity reverb. All right, and that is that for that particular section. So for the verse 1, where Justin Bieber came in, we have some new elements introduced, which we have the drum right here, which is just amazing. I love the drums. Which is just, oh, I love the vibe of the drums. The drums are so cool, man. They're so cool. So first we got this kick right here. All right. Then we have this perks. Together with the kick. All right. Right, then next up we have this Zanku bass roll. And you can see we have some slide notes going on in here. There's a link in the description on how to create slide notes. So just go ahead and check that out. Right, then next up we have this hi-hats going on right here, which is just amazing. All right. Then next to that we have this. So simple. All right, just this effect right here. Okay, that is that to that. And then next to that we got this two sounds. This one just goes like this. This one is panned over to the left, as you can see. That is that one. And then we have the next one, which is panned to the right, which has some cool rolls and everything right here. Okay. All right. So that is that for the whole bit. And once again, everything all together. And then together with the rest of the beat, we have this going on. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, it's beautiful, guys. It's beautiful, guys. I love it. I love it. All right, and then lastly for the segment, we have this whatever it's called, that sound, and it just goes on throughout the rest of this section, and then we have this amazing sound. And then lastly, for the chorus, we have this new element that was added right here. Okay. All right. And this was from, I think, Flex. Yes, from Flex. We have the spatial fire effect from Axon Cityscape. And this is the effect right here. All right. So all together, this is just how beautiful it sounds. Alright guys, so that'll be it for this video. Please, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you aren't subscribed to this channel, please don't hit the subscribe button and enable notifications so that you get notified when I drop new videos just like this one for you. Till we meet again, stay safe and see you in the next one.